Most drivers have no idea how much money they waste at the mechanic's shop, simply because they're not using the right fuel additives. There are products out there that can clean your engine, boost performance, and even protect your fuel system from costly damage. And mechanics know it. In fact, some of these additives could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over the life of your car. Today we're revealing 9 powerful fuel additives that could transform your car's performance, and they're the ones mechanics hope you never find out about. At number 1, we have Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. If you want your car's engine to feel brand new again, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is the go-to cleaner trusted by both drivers and industry pros. Packed with powerful detergents, it targets carbon buildup in fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. The result? Smoother acceleration, restored fuel economy, and fewer trips to the mechanic. Mechanics know that a clean fuel system means fewer repair opportunities for them, which is why they rarely recommend it. Using Techron every few thousand miles can keep your engine performing at its peak and protect it from the gradual wear that eats away at performance. Number 2 on our list is Boostane Professional Octane Booster. High-performance engines crave high-octane fuel, but not every gas station delivers it. Boostane Professional Octane Booster is the secret weapon for racers, tuners, and anyone who wants maximum horsepower without detonation. It raises octane levels to prevent engine knock and allows advanced timing for more power. Formulated with anti-corrosion and cleaning agents, it does more than just boost octane. It also protects your fuel system. Mechanics don't like this one because it can keep performance engines running perfectly for years, cutting down on rebuild jobs. Just add it to your tank and you've got race fuel performance at a fraction of the cost. Coming in at number 3 is Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Diesel owners know that winter starts and long hauls can punish an engine. Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment is a comprehensive additive that boosts cetane for quicker cold starts, improves lubrication, and cleans injectors. It also fights moisture and prevents gelling in low temperatures. The result is smoother idle, more power, and reduced fuel consumption. Mechanics profit from clogged injectors and poor combustion, but this treatment keeps diesel systems running like new, especially for fleets and trucks clocking big miles. A little added at each fill-up can prevent breakdowns, extend engine life, and keep maintenance costs surprisingly low. At number 4, we have Tron Enzyme Fuel Treatment. Ethanol-blended fuels can cause water buildup, corrosion, and phase separation, especially in boats, RVs, and seasonal vehicles. Tron Enzyme Fuel Treatment uses unique enzyme technology to break down water molecules so they can be burned off during combustion, preventing costly repairs. It stabilizes fuel for up to 2 years, making it perfect for storage. Mechanics know that untreated ethanol fuel leads to carburetor rebuilds and injector replacements, but Tron eliminates those issues before they start. Add it before storage or to any tank that sits for weeks, and you'll avoid the headaches and expenses of ethanol-related damage. Number 5 on our list is BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. Ask any mechanic what they use in their own cars, and you'll hear BG44K more often than you think, though they rarely tell customers. This professional-grade PEA-rich formula attacks stubborn deposits that rob your engine of power, fuel efficiency, and responsiveness. Just one can clean the entire fuel system, from injectors to combustion chambers. The difference is noticeable within a tank or two: smoother idle, better throttle response, and fewer misfires. Mechanics keep quiet about BG44K because it can save customers from expensive fuel system service jobs they charge hundreds for. It's a small investment for big, lasting results. Taking the 6th spot is Royal Purple Max Clean. Why use 3 different products when one can do it all? Royal Purple Max Clean is a premium 3-in-1 fuel system cleaner, restorer, and protector. It removes deposits, improves fuel economy, reduces emissions, and even protects against corrosion. In independent tests, it's shown to boost fuel efficiency by up to 3.2% and restore lost horsepower. Mechanics know a clean, well-protected fuel system means fewer breakdowns, so they're not eager to recommend it. Use Max Clean every 10,000 miles, and your engine will thank you with smoother performance, better mileage, and a longer life, all without multiple bottles cluttering your garage. At number 7, we have Torco Unleaded Fuel Accelerator. For drivers who want race day performance without hunting down specialty fuel, Torco Unleaded Fuel Accelerator delivers. This manganese-based octane booster is trusted in the motorsports world for consistent power gains and knock prevention. It allows you to safely run higher compression or advanced timing without risking engine damage. While many boosters give unpredictable results, Torco's precise formula ensures reliable performance. Mechanics often avoid recommending it because a well-tuned, knock-free performance engine won't be visiting their shop for detonation-related repairs. Just pour, mix, and unleash more horsepower from the fuel you already have in your tank. Number 8 on our list is STP Water Remover and Fuel Line Antifreeze. Moisture in your fuel system is a silent killer, causing rust, corrosion, and even frozen fuel lines in cold weather. STP Water Remover and Fuel Line Antifreeze is a simple, affordable fix that prevents those problems before they start. It works by binding with water in the fuel, allowing it to be safely burned off during combustion. Mechanics love charging for repairs caused by rusted injectors or frozen lines, but this little bottle can prevent those headaches entirely. Especially in winter or humid climates, adding it regularly is one of the cheapest ways to protect your fuel system for the long haul. And finally, at number 9, we have Seafoam Motor Treatment. Few products are as versatile as Seafoam Motor Treatment. This all-in-one cleaner works in gasoline, diesel, oil, and even intake systems to dissolve carbon deposits, free sticky lifters, and stabilize fuel. It's a mechanic's nightmare because it can solve multiple common issues: rough idle, hard starts, reduced fuel economy without a trip to the shop. Seafoam is especially popular with DIYers for its ability to clean both the fuel system and the crankcase, extending the life of critical engine components. Whether you drive daily or store your vehicle seasonally, it's a reliable way to keep engines running clean, smooth, and efficient. And there you have it, 9 fuel additives that can clean your engine, boost performance, and save you money, all without a trip to the mechanic. If you've tried any of these yourself, drop a comment and let us know what worked for you. And if you learned something new today, give this video a like. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.